back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing my current favorites and I hope you'll like it. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. Who doesn't love food? I'm a big foodie person and recently I've been trying this overnight oatmeal. Yes, it is a nutritious food. And yeah, in the beginning I didn't like it that much, but after making it in my own way, I really liked it. Oats have a lot of fiber content and it is good for our health too. But trust me, that have become my everyday breakfast in the morning. I use Quaker oats and any brand is preferable. And I add some nuts and dates in it, and for some sweet flavor, I use jaggery powder. For flavor, you can also add coffee powder or chocolate powder. But I prefer being with jaggery. Mix this all dry ingredients into a bowl, pour little amount of milk and hot water until you mix. Make sure that the mixture becomes like a porridge, thick and very consistent. Close it using a lid and make sure you have freezing it for like 8 hours. And yeah, in the morning you can just take it out, and it's not that you have to have like that itself, so you can add little bit of hot water. So it would be nice consistency to have the meal. You can top it with some fruits, and yeah, it would be the best ever breakfast meal you can prefer. I hope you like it. Skincare, you all girls heard right? So I'm using this Plum's Hello Aloe Gentle Cleansing Lotion, and all of Plum's product are my favorite. I should be honest with this product, and they are cruelty free, 100% vegan, and what else a product should be given to all of us, you know. It is also toxic chemical free, so a big shout out for that. And for my skin tends to dry a lot, and usually in those days I use this lotion kind of a cleansing, so it doesn't dry my skin so much. So this is my current favorite. Next is a body lotion I'm here to say, and you have to hear me out. This is Enchanter's perfumed body lotions. I hope you can see the package. Yes, this is romantic satin smooth aloe vera and olive butter. This product I've been using since my childhood, to be honest. I love this fragrance. Whenever I reach out to market or I'm purchasing online, I make sure I have this, and I'm always stocked with this. You know, it has a nice fragrance and it is not so greasy, you know. So it has a nice satin smooth finish, and I love this product, and this is always my favorite. A big shout out to this product. Blossom Kochar Aroma Magic Under Eye Cream. This comes under the category of my nighttime skincare, and this really nourishes my eye like no other lotion I use. So yes, it's 100% paraben and all those toxic chemical free. It doesn't have so much of fragrance. It have a nice smooth and light fragrance, I should say. And yeah, this has been my current favorite. Please do check it. Nivea's Peach Shine Daily Care Lip Balm, I guess. So I have purchased this from my last Flipkart haul, and I really love this product. By the way, if you haven't checked my Flipkart haul video, please do check them out. I'll put them in the description box. Most of the time I use Biotique's lip balm. I guess the fruitish lip balm, I guess. I'm not sure. I'm an everyday lip balm person and I never change on lip balm, but this was on a try on and I really love this. I can't get over this. I love the fruitish fragrance of this product. I love this texture, and it doesn't have too much of tint, but it has a nice shine and a little amount of peachish pink, you know, the lightest pink you can ever see. It has a nice smell, I should say, really. I have also said in my last video, but still it is a big mention for this product. It really has a nice smell. I love this smell. I don't know who else will. And some girls might hate, you know, fruitish smell. This lip balm has been my current favorite. An everyday reader, but I try to read occasionally whenever I get time or I'm free from work. So currently I was reading this book called The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. So I'm not sure how to pronounce the author's name. I call it so. And yeah, this book has a story like the little guy who's a shepherd. He'll be in search of a treasure throughout the story, and he travels a lot of places and meets different people. He never gave up on his dream to find a treasure. I don't want to reveal the conclusion of the story because it won't be nice and thrilling when you read. So I really want you all to read this book. It is a really, after reading this, I felt really not so motivated, but it was a moving book, I should say. Certain books have the energy to move us, not like motivating, but it has a little change in my life. I'll try to find this. I hope it was retailing in Amazon for 350 rupees something. So you can get them in the second-hand bookshop, and really it retails lesser than that. So this book has been my current favorite. I'm not sure who have done this plant thing in their current favorite video, but this plant is really bothering me, and I thought of like, why not to add a little portion like plant and add this plant. So this plant name is Zizi, or you can call this Zamia, and this is how it looks. I really love the fresh green of this plant, and this has been like a year now at my home, and it doesn't require too much of water, it doesn't require too much of sunlight. It is a low light plant. It is you can keep it is an indoor low light plant. And also I have to mention that this plant only requires like once in a week kind of a watering plant. It doesn't need a lot of water. It just grows in its own way, and so this plant is my current favorite. And yeah, recently I've been watching this movie called Nokke Thandoorathu. It is an Indian Malayalam film. So I really love the story. To be honest, it is an old movie I did. I really love the song of like I really love the main song, I guess. I'm not sure about the lyric, but I really love the song. Just because of the song, I thought of like, I have to watch this movie. The stories of like a granddaughter and a grandmother kind of a story. I really love this movie. To be honest, this movie got my tears all of out. I'll put the movie's link in the description box. Please do check them out. It is a never regret movie, I should say. Probably I think the product's link would be found and mentioned in the description box, so please do check them out. Finally, we are at the end portion of this video, and I hope you all like such videos from me. And if you like my videos, please comment in the comment section, like my video and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.